Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become one of the most transformative technologies of the 21st century. But what exactly is AI, where did it come from, and how is it impacting our world? Hi everyone, I'm Hina, and in today's video, we're diving into the basics of artificial intelligence. Let's start with the definition. AI has a fascinating history. It might surprise you, but the concept of AI isn't new. It dates back to the 1950s. In 1950, Alan Turing, a British mathematician, introduced what we now call the Turing Test to determine whether a machine can exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to, or indistinguishable from, a human. His work laid the foundation for AI. Fast forward to 1956, and the term artificial intelligence was officially coined at a conference at Dartmouth College, where researchers gathered to discuss the possibilities of machines that could mimic human intelligence. Over the next few decades, AI saw ups and downs, periods of great excitement and breakthroughs, as well as AI winters, where progress stalled. But today, thanks to advancements in computing power, big data, and algorithms, AI has become more powerful and accessible than ever before. So, how is AI impacting our world? AI is transforming industries, solving complex problems, and even changing the way we live. AI in healthcare, AI assists in diagnosing diseases and personalized treatment plans. AI in finance, detects fraudulent activities and improves investment strategies. AI in transportation, powers autonomous vehicles, making them safer and more efficient. AI in everyday life, powers virtual assistants, smart home devices, and recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix and YouTube. But with great power comes great responsibility. While AI has the potential to improve our lives, it also raises ethical questions about privacy, job displacement, and decision-making transparency. As AI continues to evolve, it's essential for us to understand its capabilities and limitations. That's a brief overview of artificial intelligence, what it is, where it came from, and how it's shaping the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI content. Also, let me know in the comments what AI topics you'd like to learn about next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.